know that phone in your pocket? You use it every single day. But what if I told you you're only scratching the surface of what it can really do? There's a hidden genius locked inside that device, and today, we're gonna find the key. So that brings up the big question, right? Is your phone secretly a genius? And the answer is a resounding yes. But here's the thing, its power isn't automatic. You have to unlock it. And the key lies in understanding what we're gonna call the Trinity of Mobile AI. These are 3 core functions that will completely transform how you see and use your phone. All right, first up in this trinity is probably the one you already know, but maybe, just maybe, you're not using it to its full potential. I'm talking about the voice commander. You know, Siri, Google Assistant, ChatGPT voice. This is your personal, hands-free helper for, well, pretty much everything. And the real magic here isn't some fancy party trick. No, this is all about real-world, practical stuff. I mean, think about it. Sending messages, firing up your favorite playlist, getting directions, or making a call, all without ever touching your screen. Like just saying, send a WhatsApp to John, hey, I'm on my way, is so much faster and safer than trying to type while you're busy. It's that simple. And really, that's the whole point, isn't it? This transforms your phone from a device you have to constantly manage into a true assistant that just listens and gets things done. It saves you time, keeps you safer on the road, and is what makes your device feel genuinely smart. Okay, so let's dive into the second part of our trinity, the text wizard. We are all dealing with text all day long. Emails, articles, notes, you name it. This tool uses AI to help you not just write text, but to understand it and perfect it, whether it's something you wrote or something you're trying to read. Think about it like this. It's like having a professional editor, a UN-level translator, and a lightning-fast research assistant all living inside your phone. Need to turn a few messy thoughts into a polished professional email? Done. Got a 10-page report you just don't have time to read? Ask it for the key points and you'll have them in seconds. Let's bring this down to earth with a super practical example. Imagine you're staring at a really dense page in a book or a document. Instead of slogging through the whole thing, just pull out your phone and snap a picture. Then just ask your AI, like Gemini or ChatGPT, hey, can you summarize this for me? Boom. Instantly, you get clean, easy to digest bullet points. This is an absolute game changer for learning and just getting things done. And that brings us to the third, and honestly, maybe the most mind-blowing tool of the Trinity, the visual detective. This is where your phone's camera stops being just for taking pictures and becomes an actual eye that can understand and analyze the world around you. It's pretty wild. And you know what's cool? Your phone probably already has this stuff built in. Ever see something on your screen and wonder what it is? That's Circle to Search. Ever been in another country trying to read a sign? That's Live Translate. Curious about a weird plant or bug you just saw? That's object recognition. Okay, picture this. You're scrolling, right? Maybe on social media, and you see a pair of shoes in a photo that you absolutely have to have. But of course, there's no link, no brand name, nothing. In the past, you'd just be out of luck, but not anymore. And this is where your phone puts on its detective hat. With a feature like Circle to Search, you just, well, you circle it right there on your screen. And bam, your phone doesn't just ask, what is this? It answers. It shows you the exact product, how much it costs, and even where you can buy it. It's just so satisfying. And this is why it's so incredibly powerful. It's not just a one-trick pony. This is your go-to tool for instant shopping, for translating signs when you're traveling, for learning about the world on a hike, and for solving all those little everyday mysteries fast. So there you have it, the voice commander for hands-free control, the text wizard for mastering language, and the visual detective for understanding your world. When you put them all together, man, it's not just about adding a few features. It's about completely reimagining what that device in your pocket can actually do for you. Let's just boil this all down one last time, nice and simple. The voice commander, that's all about convenience. The text wizard, that's for clarity. And the visual detective, well, that opens up a world of discovery. Convenience, clarity, and discovery. That's it. That's the power of this trinity. So look, the genius inside your phone, it's not a secret anymore. You now have the keys. You've just met the 3 powerful tools that unlock it all. So really, there's only one question left. Which one are you going to try first?